Some gadgets make life easier, and then there are those rare ones that quietly slip into your routine, until one day you realize you can't work without them. Let's start with something that transforms the way you create, sketch, or take notes. The Tukzer Active second-generation stylus pen isn't just another stylus, it's precision in your fingertips. Designed exclusively for iPads from 2018 onwards, it gives you a smooth, pen-to-paper feel with zero lag. Palm rejection means you can rest your hand naturally on the screen while you draw or write, and the tilt sensor lets you shade like a real pencil. Whether you're an artist working on fine details, a student taking rapid notes, or someone signing documents, it's responsive, lightweight, and lasts hours on a single charge. One swipe, and you'll feel the difference. It's not just a tool, it's a creative extension of your hand. Now imagine you're watching a video, joining a meeting, or following a recipe, and your phone is propped up awkwardly against a mug. That's when the Tukzer foldable telescopic smartphone stand steps in. It's height adjustable, angle adjustable, and folds down small enough to slip into a bag. The weighted base keeps it stable even when you're tapping the screen, and the telescopic arm means no more craning your neck or hunching over. Desk work, bedside scrolling, kitchen videos, it adapts to wherever you need it. And when you're done, it collapses into something barely bigger than your phone. But sometimes you need more than a desk stand. Sometimes you need your phone mounted anywhere, on a tree branch, bike handle, or even wrapped around a fence. That's where the Tukzer Universal Flexible Tripod comes alive. Its bendable legs can twist and grip onto just about anything, turning any spot into your personal filming station. Perfect for vloggers, travelers, or anyone who wants hands-free shots in impossible places. You can shoot steady videos on uneven ground, capture time lapses without a flat surface, or just use it as a mini tripod for calls. It's lightweight, portable, and turns creativity into something you can take anywhere. But even the best gadgets need care, and this last one might be the most satisfying of all. The Tukzer Keyboard and Screen Cleaning Kit is like a spa day for your devices. One side has a soft brush to sweep dust from between your keys. The other has a microfiber pad to wipe fingerprints and smudges off your screen. There's even a spray bottle built right into the tool, so you can mist and clean in seconds. Whether it's your laptop, tablet, phone, or even a camera lens, it leaves everything spotless without scratching. It's small enough to keep in your bag, so every meeting, shoot, or work session starts with a perfectly clean setup. 4 gadgets, 4 different ways to make your tech life smoother, cleaner, and way more enjoyable. From creating art and notes, to holding your phone exactly where you need it, to capturing moments anywhere, to keeping your devices fresh and spotless. They're simple upgrades that make a big difference. Links are in the description. If even one of these feels like it belongs on your desk, in your bag, or in your pocket, hit like, drop your favorite in the comments, and subscribe. Because tomorrow, we've got an even smarter lineup waiting for you.